Hello, in this video we will learn how to restructure data in Excel. For example, if you have a data in one column, the text and the numbers. So how you can restructure it? Very simple. Press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow key and select the data. And then press Ctrl G. Go to Special, click Constants and uncheck all button and only click the text button. Click OK and then Control C and then Control V and go to the cells again and press Control Shift and down arrow key and select the data. Control G and go to the special and then constants. Uncheck all boxes, only numbers are selected. Click OK, Control C and here Control V. So in that way you can see that the text and the values are the separated, and in this way you can easily restructure the data. I hope you like the video. If you think the video is supportive and helpful, so please support my channel. Thanks for watching.